Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a box lunch haul for you guys, including 3 new Loungeflies. One of them is not from Boxlunch. I ordered it from Mercari, but I figured I would throw it in here because all of the Loungeflies, right? I've gone a little crazy prepping for this Disney trip. I'm not gonna lie. I've lost my mind a little bit, but you know what? It's fine. Everything is going to be a-okay. I'm sorry if y'all hear some crazy wind outside. It is so unbelievably windy and it sounds really creepy. It like whooshes really hard like on the windows outside our townhome and sounds very creepy. So I'm sorry if you can hear that. So box lunch haul, let's get into it. The first thing I got is this sweatshirt. So it's a purple and white sweatshirt, and then it has the Disney princesses across it. We have Mulan, Belle, Moana, Rapunzel, Cindy, Pocahontas, Aurora, and Jasmine. And I seriously love this so much. It is very, very soft. I got it oversized so it would be nice and cozy, and I love it. Like I've worn it. This is the first day I've worn it and I'm seriously obsessed with it. So I hope you guys like it as well. Then I'm going to save the Loungeflies for last since those are the most exciting things. So then I got this really cute knit Bambi top. I thought this would look so cute with just like some jeans this spring. It's got Bambi and Thumper and some little daisies around them. And I might pack this on my trip to Disney. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but I think it's very cute and I love the color. This like sage green is really, really pretty. So pick that up as well. The next thing I got is really for Brendan, and it is so silly, but I'm not even mad about it because I love it. It is a Thor Mjolnir hammer meat tenderizer. So look at this thing. It is so funny. We're gonna pull it out of the package. I got it like as a joke, obviously, but I do think it's actually pretty cool. Oh my gosh. This is so funny. So inscribed on both sides, it says, "Whosoever holds this hammer, if they be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor." And then it's got like the grooves on either side for meat tenderizing. And then it's got like a rubber hammer and a little claspy guy right here. And we can wheel it around like Thor does. I just think this is so stupid and I love it so much. So tiny Mjolnir for tenderizing some meat. All right, so is that everything already? Yeah, that's everything already. I do have a couple other things coming from Boxlunch in a separate shipment, but I'll go through those when they come in. Also, I did use my Boxlunch money, so I basically paid like half price for everything in this haul. So not mad about that, but let's get into the Loungeflies. So first off, I have this gorgeous little Eeyore Loungefly. I love the pink on his ears. I want to wear a pink dress with like a blue cardigan at Disney with this outfit. And the actual like bag is almost like a terry cloth material. And then all of his little features right here are embroidered, and then his eyes and like nose mouth area and hair is all leather. So super cute. This bag does have side pockets, which we love for putting our phones on at the park. And probably the best part about this bag is that he does have his little tail and it does move as well, which I think is so funny. And then it says, "Never has anybody cared so much" on the back, and that's also embroidered. And then on the inside, the interior lining is super cute. It is just Eeyore in some different poses, looking the most adorable ever. So I'm very excited about this bag. I can't wait to do my Eeyore Disney bound when I'm at Disney in Magic Kingdom. So I think this will be really cute and I can't wait to wear it. The next bag is a Little Mermaid themed bag, and this is a Loungefly handbag. It is this gorgeous Daughters of Triton handbag. It's got a purple satiny handle with a little bow attached, and then we have a depiction of all of the Daughters of Triton, and then it says Daughters of Triton right here. I think this is so cute. I love it. I love that it's kind of like the opening scene in The Little Mermaid when they're all singing and Ariel's not there. And then we do have Miss Ariel here on the back, up I guess at the surface because she's sitting on a rock. And then we've got the plaque, obviously. It has a magnetic closure. It does come with a purple shoulder strap, which I love because that's way easier for carrying around in the parks. And then the inside is a really nice kind of blue-green color, and it's got seashells printed all over that. So really, really cute bag. My only critique is that this bow, even though it's cute, it like covers up the entire design of the front. I wish they'd like, I don't know, put it where it falls maybe more to the side. But I do think I'm going to take some pliers and just like take this ring off. I'll save it in case I do ever want to put it back on because that'll be really easy. But I much prefer it like this, where you can actually see the design of the bag instead of like the giant bow covering it up a ton. So super cute. That's my only critique. And last but not least, this Loungefly is the Loungefly that I ordered from Mercari. I paid 50 bucks for it, so less than retail, which I'm not mad about because y'all know people be upcharging on bags a lot. So it is this little Kashyyyk Loungefly backpack, and this one is one of like the square ones that's a little bit bigger. So like here it is next to the Eeyore for comparison. It's just got a little bit more room in it because it's square instead of rounded at the top. It has Kashyyyk here at the top, and then it's just got the landscape of Kashyyyk on the bottom, and these like little huts are embroidered. It does have a front pocket right here, which is super handy. It does also have side pockets, which we love, and this is like a green suede material. Super, super nice. The seller was adorable and included a little Boba Fett keychain, which I thought was really sweet. And then on the inside, it's just got a dark green print, and it says "in a galaxy far, far away" over and over and over again. So I can't wait to wear this with my Chewbacca bound that I have planned at Galaxy's Edge. I think that's going to be so fun and so cute. So yeah, that is my little Boxlunch slash Loungefly haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was a really quick video. I was expecting to take it a little bit longer, but it did not. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to start filming my packing videos. I'm going to film one video that's kind of like styling my Disney outfits and shopping for those outfits for my trip, and then a different video that's like actually here's everything that I'm packing. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see those videos, and also some vlogs of me in Disney World. Yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.